If someone attacked you right now, where would you hit first? Most people would aim for the face. That's the first mistake. In a real street fight, power doesn't save you. The right target does. One strike can make someone lose their vision. One can shut down their balance. One can buy you the 2 seconds you need to escape. Today, you'll learn the 6 targets that actually stop an attacker before they stop you.
Most people in a street fight swing wildly and hope something lands. That is not a strategy. That is panic. And panic loses fights. A real street fight is not like the movies. It is fast, ugly, and confusing. The person who wins is almost never the strongest. It is the person who stays calm and hits the right targets at the right moment. Targets matter more than power.
Before we talk about targets, understand one thing. The goal in a real street fight is not to win on points. The goal is to create enough damage, quickly enough, to stop the threat and get away safely. You are not fighting for a trophy. You are fighting to go home. Every target we discuss exists to achieve that one goal. Stop the threat, get safe. Nothing else.
The first target is the nose. The nose is the most effective strike target in a street fight. A hard strike to the nose causes instant, involuntary eye watering. The eyes close automatically. Breathing becomes difficult. The attacker cannot see you clearly for 2 to 3 seconds. 2 to 3 seconds is an enormous window in a real confrontation. You do not need to break the nose. You need to hit it hard enough to trigger the automatic eye water response. The second target is the throat. A strike to the throat does not need to be hard to be effective. Even a moderate hit to the front of the throat causes the muscles around the airway to spasm. The attacker immediately focuses on breathing. They cannot continue attacking while their body is in airway panic. This target is highly effective, but must only be used in genuine self-defense situations where you fear serious harm. A hard throat strike can cause serious injury. Use it only when the threat is real.
The third target is the eyes. You do not punch the eyes. You use a palm thrust or a thumb drive. Even the threat of fingers moving toward the eyes causes most people to flinch backward and cover their face instinctively. This flinch response is a hardwired biological reaction. Every human has it. You can use this response to create distance, break a grip, or set up a follow-up strike to another target. The eyes do not need to be touched to be effective. The threat alone works.
The fourth target is the groin. This target works on male attackers and is one of the most reliable stops available to anyone, regardless of size or strength. A knee to the groin creates immediate, intense pain. The attacker doubles forward, their head drops, their hands drop to protect. And in that moment, you have a clear path to disengage and run. The groin is also an excellent target when grabbed from behind. A backward stomp or a reaching grip strike can end an attack instantly. You do not need size or training to use this target effectively.
The fifth target is the knee. The human knee is designed to bend in one direction only. A sideways or backward kick to the knee does not need force to be devastating. Even a moderate strike to the side of the knee causes pain, buckling, and loss of balance. An attacker who cannot stand cannot chase you. This target is especially important if the attacker is significantly larger than you. Targeting the legs removes the size advantage immediately because no matter how strong someone is, their knee joint has the same structural vulnerability as everyone else.
The sixth target is the ear. Both hands cupped and slapped hard against both ears simultaneously creates a pressure wave. This causes immediate disorientation, dizziness, and temporary hearing disruption. The attacker loses their spatial awareness instantly. This strike is especially effective from close range when someone has grabbed you or is crowding your space. You do not need arm extension. You do not need power. 2 cupped palms moving inward toward both ears at the same time creates a stunning effect that gives you seconds to escape.
Now here is the most important rule about all of these targets. You must hit them and immediately create distance. Do not stay and fight. Hit the target, create the reaction, use the reaction window to disengage. Street fights are won by the person who controls the distance. Every target we discussed creates a predictable reaction in the attacker. That reaction creates a window. Your only job in that window is to get away from the threat. Here is how to combine targets for maximum effectiveness. Palm to the nose first. This closes the eyes. Immediately follow with a knee to the groin. This doubles them forward. Follow with a shove backward to create distance. Then run. This 3-step sequence takes less than 2 seconds. It requires no martial arts training. It requires no strength advantage. It works because each strike creates the exact setup for the next one. The nose closes the eyes. The groin doubles them. The shove sends them back. You leave. Here is the second combination for when someone grabs you. If someone grabs your wrist or shirt, do not pull away. Pulling is weak. They have leverage. Instead, strike to the throat with your free hand. Their grip will release automatically as their body responds to the airway strike. As the grip releases, palm strike to the nose to close the eyes. Step to the side, not backward. Moving backward puts you on the defensive. Moving to the side changes the angle. Then create distance and leave. Always leave. Here is what you should never target in a street fight. Do not aim for the jaw or the top of the skull. These are hard bones. Punching them without proper technique and hand conditioning damages your hand more than the attacker. Do not aim for the stomach either. Core muscles can absorb strikes better than most people expect. Soft tissue targets react faster, require less force, and create more reliable stopping effects. Always target soft tissue or joints. Never target hard bone with a bare fist. The best street fight is the one that never happens. Awareness, de-escalation, and escape before a confrontation starts are always superior options. But if the situation leaves you no choice, knowing exactly where to strike and why gives you a significant advantage over someone who is simply swinging and hoping. Knowledge is a force multiplier. Use it. 6 targets, 2 combinations, 1 rule. Hit the right place, create the reaction, use the window, get away. That is it. That is how real fights are won by people with no size advantage, no training, and no warning. Know your targets. Stay calm. Go home safe.
How did you like the video? Share with others. Subscribe for more. Support the channel. Keep learning.